watching the best. Fox 10 News at 5.
Here's some new traffic system that could help cut down your evening commute. Starting today, California-based company No Traffic is installing smart traffic lights on parts of Glendale Avenue in Phoenix. Wouldn't this be great? The new lights could help keep traffic moving, maybe help prevent you from hitting like all the red lights. Have you ever had that happen? It could also help prevent car accidents.
It essentially uses deep learning and artificial intelligence to make the lights green, while also improving safety for pedestrians and cyclists. It's a pretty robust system. The units that go above the road are a complete sensing system. There's multiple sensors which determine vehicle type, if it's a pedestrian, if it's a cyclist, and all sorts of information that the city can use to better time their signals.
That sounds good. No, it turns the lights green. I like that. The smart traffic lights are being installed at 5 intersections on Glendale Avenue between Central and State Route 51. Well, that sounds great, doesn't it, Mark Martinez? All the lights turning green when you drive up to them.
If I ever leave the house again and get back out on the streets, it'll be nice.
You and me both. I was out driving this morning and I noticed buildings that were in the early stages of construction, and I passed them today and they were completed. And I thought, wow, it's been too long since I've been on the road. So there's progress being made while you and I are still working at home.